In this video, I will explain how you can export high quality mp4 videos for YouTube from Adobe Premiere Pro. So we have got a very simple clipboard here, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the export settings. So just go to the file and then click on export and click on media, or you can also use this shortcut key Control M or Command M on Mac and open this media dialog. So basically on this particular dialog or the panel, what you can do is that you can specify the export settings, and for YouTube and for high quality videos in mp4 format, you have to select this format H.264. and in the preset there are various presets available, but for the YouTube most probably you need to use high quality 720p HD or 1080p HD. So basically both these are 16:9 aspect ratio, and for YouTube we need that aspect ratio 16:9. So you can use any of this. If you need very high quality, then you can use this 1080p HD, okay, or there are 4K variations are also possible over there. So just select one of these. I'm gonna select high quality 1080p HD. So you can see that the extension for this particular export will be mp4. It also shows the estimated file size as well down here, and aspect ratio is shown over here. And in the performance, you can select the software encoding if you want the faster export. That's it. If you have these settings, then you will create or you will export the video that is suitable for uploading on the YouTube. That's it. Thanks for watching.